Namaskar standard two students. In our last video class, we have noted down the answers of second chapter of third term syllabus. Today we will continue for our third chapter of third term syllabus, which is chapter 5. Chapter 5, page number 59. Chapter 5, page 59. Now question number 1a. What is text area? I am not writing the question, I am writing only answers. So, but you carefully note down the question first, then note down the answer. It will help you to study. Okay, now question number 1a. What is text area? 1a. What is text area? Text area is a broad blank white area, broad blank white area where we can type as much as we want in black font. Now question number B. Question number B is saying can we open our saved file? Can we open our saved file? Number B. The answer is yes. We can open our saved files. Number C. Number C. What do you find in the toolbox of the WordPad? What do you find in the toolbox of the WordPad? We find all the basic commands in the toolbox of WordPad. In the toolbox of WordPad. Now, question number 2. Question number 2. State true or false. 2a. Question number 2. State true or false. You cannot change the size of font in WordPad. You cannot change the size of font in WordPad. You cannot change the size of font in WordPad. In WordPad. It is false. Now number B. Number B is we can type any letter on WordPad. We can type it in Wattpad. Now number C. Number C, spell checking is not available in the Wattpad. Spell checking, S-P-E-L-L, spell C-H-E-C-K-I-N-G, spell checking is not available in the Wattpad. In the Wattpad, it is also true. This is your CW and HW. In our next class, we will continue from the next question. Till then, namaskar, our channel to students.